Recording.
Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. Basically, we're at our cousin's house because it's Emily's birthday. Woo! The phone behind me. Woo! Oopsies. Hey! Happy birthday! Not bad. Good size. If we can fit it. I know I can.
Yeah, by the time we get back to the area, guys, our tummies will be empty again. So we're gonna go. Yeah, we're gonna go.
It's cute. Yeah. The best Korean barbecue in the whole wide world, I'm telling you right now.
Birthday.
Well, you didn't even take a bite.
It's alright.
Quail egg. Nice. And here goes the after.
Yeah.
Thoughts? Okay, what was the bill, Emily?
Guys, the bill was $248. Last year it was $210.
Wow. The plan is to go back home now.
And we're gonna get together and get outside.
Oh, okay. So Bonnie's made the plans for us.
Yeah. Alright guys, see you later. Wow. Whoa, get this wind action.
Oh gosh. No, you know on Thanksgiving they have like a turkey and then they have this as a side. And it's yellow.
They have collard greens. Mush brown.
Oh, mush brown.
No. What the fuck is gratitude?
No.
Appreciation.
Like a group of people have just brought you in. They have it.
Excited.
No,
a friend.
No. No.
This is too hard.
Yeah, can we change this?
Really nice. Charlie and the
Phantoms?
you can get it.
Young Ali.
I can't remember what we're doing, man.
Hey guys, we're getting sorry. What's that in?
This is the candy shop we were talking about. Wait, it's packed in here. These guys just came from Kbbq.
Above, never below.